Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to get this eye look here using the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. This palette was a gift for my birthday. Sorry, I had to cough, but this palette was a gift for my birthday from my friend Asia, so shout out to her. But yeah, I'm gonna make this intro really short and sweet. This is like an early AF Valentine's Day tutorial, if that's what you guys want to call it. Like, you could totally use this look on Valentine's Day. Like, just practice now. That way you got it down packed by V-Day. For those of you who celebrate, because some of us don't. Anyway, yeah, I hope you guys like this look, and we're going to get right into the tutorial. Sorry guys for not showing the eyeshadow, but I'm taking like this really bright pink shadow from the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm just going to put that back and forth in my crease, and then later on I'm going to diffuse out the edges.
Still in Los Angeles, still trying to make it all happen. Most people won't understand it. Lucky I got me one out here selling ships like a captain. I am convinced that these bitches are watching my movements and writing them down, so I stop saying words, you just hear me on records like I'm on my way up, right? I'm damn sure not the lazy type, yeah. A new state every night, I might just like the dang tonight, yeah. None of the mob is with the play, you know.
Okay, and here I am taking the shade right under the shade I just used, and I'm gonna put that on the outer corner of my eye and then kind of move it into my crease. I'm gonna like turn my brush in a second just so it's like facing downwards, so I'm not blending it up too high. I don't know if it was the brush or the shadow, but the shadow just wasn't as pigmented as the last one, so I just keep building it up to get what I want.
Preach, young nigga, preach. Preach, 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 young nigga, preach, 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 young nigga, preach, preach, preach.
Okay, here I am taking this purple shade in the palette, and I'm just going to take it on like a flat shader brush, and I'm going to pack it on the outer V of my eye, and I'm kind of going to carve out my crease with the same shadow. Here I am taking the shadow I used right before it and just blending out the edges a little bit. Here I am taking the NYX Gel Liner in white. It wouldn't focus, but you know, you guys get the idea. I'm going to cut my crease, and I am going to show you guys, even though I already have a tutorial on it, but whatever. I'm going to cut my crease and then I'll be right back. I'm taking the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm just setting the cut crease with the white in the palette. I kept this clip in because when the gel liner was like still wet, I like looked up and it got all over my crease. So, you know, just don't do that. Just wait till it's dry, or wait till you set it. You know, don't do what I did. And now I'm just taking that purple that I used earlier, and I'm going to put it right on top of that white, but I'm going to be a little bit more precise and actually cut the crease with it. And now I'm taking the same pink shade I used before the purple shade, and I'm going to put it in the middle of the cut crease.
Working hard until it's payday. Something about all these mixtapes, man, it's charting like albums. Underground's one thing, stadium music is how it's sounding. Bitches be all in their feelings these days, all in their feelings these days. We got a vision, we doing this shit 'cause it's bred to be made. Young nigga preach.
Okay, this is a little trick I do to clean up my cut creases if I mess up. Say if I have like a darker shade that's like on top of the crease, if that makes sense, I'll take a little angle brush in that same darker shade and I'll just carve out the crease just to make it a little bit more clean. Okay, in this clip, like, I was really trying to do my under eye, but my camera played me, so it's gonna cut off in like 10 seconds, and I'll just explain what I did in the next clip. Okay guys, like my phone dead like shut off when I was doing my under eye because I ran out of storage, so I deleted some stuff and we're back. So just on the under eye, I just used that real dark purple shade and then the pink shade and put on mascara. The mascara I used is Urban Decay Perversion mascara, and what is on my lips is a little concoction I made. If I can find my lip liner, it's right here. I use Cork by MAC, Bow and Arrow by Kat Von D, and Naked by Anastasia. To get this, my lashes are in the style Rachel by Hair Fiend. Here is the packaging right here, and here are the lashes. They're really long, really cute. They like spike out, but they're like wispy. They're just like a dream come true. And if you want, because you should, to save some coin, you can use my discount code STAYINGAU. I will have it down here. I shall have the link to the website if you'd like me to, because who doesn't want a shameless plug? Nobody. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. Let me know what else you guys want to see from me, because like I don't have a lot of subscribers and you guys don't talk to me, so just let me know what you want to see, like other than a straight hair tutorial at Felicia, because it's gonna come when it comes, okay? Like it's stressful. But anyway, if you guys want to see more colorful looks, if you guys want to see more everyday looks, more wearable looks, let me know. That's all the tea I have for you guys today, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share it with your friends and your family and your pets, and I'll see you guys in the next video.